Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. ICN Noor Academy. Welcome back from winter break. It's a beautiful winter morning. Let's start the assembly with Surah al Fatihah.
نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Thank you for that wonderful recitation, Juveria. I hope everyone had a really wonderful winter break, and now it's a new year. It's 2021 and we're ready to go. Before break, we said that we were going to talk about dua for the next several weeks. So we're going to start with the first dua in the Quran. So did you know that the beginning of the Quran starts with a dua? That's right. Surah al Fatihah, the one that you've been reciting for so many weeks, is a dua. It's a calling out to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So let's make sure all of us know exactly what it means. We'll start from the beginning. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. It means all praise is for Allah, the master and owner of all the worlds. Hamd means praise. Praise is like when you are telling someone how awesome they are. So all awesomeness belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And He is the owner and the master of all the worlds of people, the world of animals, the world of jinn, the world of the galaxies, everything that we can imagine. The owner is Allah, and that's what the first part means. It's getting a little cold, so to choose the next person to recite Surah al Fatihah next week, I'm gonna head back inside. But this week, I'd like you to try to remember what the first ayah of Surah al Fatihah means. And next week, we will take a look at the next ayah, inshallah. All right, I'm back inside, and here is the name hat. So let's see who's going to recite next. It's going to be Altaf. Congratulations, Altaf. That's all for this time. See you next week. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.